ख़वातीन और हज़रात, वेलकम टू अनदर एपिसोड ऑफ आवर गेस्ट टुनाइट ऑन 23 न्यूज़। आज के हमारे जो दो सरप्राइज मेहमान हैं, दे आर बोथ वर्ल्ड क्लास स्पोर्ट्स पीपल, बहुत जाने माने खिलाड़ी हैं। एक का ताल्लुक पाकिस्तान से, एक का ताल्लुक इंडिया से। अब उनका मुश्तरका ताल्लुक जो है, नाउ दे आर अ फैमिली, and I think beyond that, one does not need to give the audience any more clues, but they have a list of accolades behind them. We're proud of both of their achievements. Please welcome to the show our very favorite cricketer Shoaib Malik and the amazing tennis star Sania Mirza. Thank you so much for being with us on our guest
Thank you.
tonight.
Thank you.
So I hope you guys are keeping well. I hear you're traveling right now and about to board a flight in 3 hours, and you've taken out some precious time for us.
So no, we're fine. We're healthy. Alhamdulillah.
That's great to hear.
We are ready also.
Ready also? For traveling or for the game?
एक तीर से दो शिकार हो रहे हैं.
ठीक है. So game बड़ी simple सी है. Game is our guest tonight. And like I'd mentioned to Sania ji earlier, that it's a much dumber form of dumb charades. Except you talk, you can talk. तो आप दोनों के पास 4-4 मिनट होंगे. आप दोनों को लिस्ट्स दी गई हैं. उन लिस्ट में कुछ अल्फाज हैं. उन अल्फाज को आपने या तो एक्ट आउट करके या रेफरेंसेस देके अपने पार्टनर नहीं बल्कि अपने कंपेटिटर को गेस करवाना है. ठीक है ना? You can say any other word on the planet except the word on the list itself. Even if it's like two words put together, and if you mention one part of the word, then that word is out of the list.
Sounds good.
Who's going to start?
आप लोग बताएं.
Whoever you choose, I can start. I can start guessing. Or do you want me to start? I'm okay with either. You choose.
I think I'll start.
What? You'll start guessing?
You'll start giving your clues?
Yes, I'm going to start giving you clues and then you guess.
Okay, done.
Okay.
And how long do we have?
So you have 4 minutes. You have 4 minutes per person. ठीक है ना? तो 4 मिनट में जितने से ज्यादा आप लफ्ज अल्फाज guess करवा सकते हैं. That's good for the person who's guessing.
Okay.
Now
that's how you win. How do you win? That's all I'm bothered about. How do you win?
That's how you win. The more you guess, the more you win.
Okay, done.
Yeah.
So when I'm making him guess, I have to give very bad examples so he doesn't guess, right?
Well, I mean, if that's how you're going to play it, you're going to play it like that. I don't know.
Okay, good. Okay, done.
ठीक है ना? So, शुएब साहब, आपकी लिस्ट का टाइम स्टार्ट होता है now.
अच्छा. What leg spinner bowls when they deceive a batsman? One particular delivery.
Googly.
Nice. Sure. When there is like 8 and over requires, normally what a batsman does?
What? He hits big shots. Like he goes for broke. Oh, there's a word for that. That's the word. Slog.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Right. Wow.
Okay.
Acha, third one. You have won 6 big tournaments.
Grand Slams. Grand Slam.
Okay. Nice. ये आपने बताया तो नहीं था?
नहीं, मैंने कुछ बताया. आपने बताया.
There is no way.
Do you think I should know what I won 6 of? इतना तो मुझे पता होना चाहिए.
The clock is on.
Okay, go.
हम इज़हान को क्या टीच करते हैं?
Like this? Yo.
Yes. Oh. No, it's still not completed.
The two yo.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Whenever I go back to Pakistan, normally where I go the most?
Sialkot.
वहाँ का तो मैं हूँ. क्या मैं भी easy questions पूछ रहा हूँ? सबसे पहला काम हम क्या करते हैं सुबह उठ के?
I don't know. Sit on the pot. Check our phone. Brush our teeth.
Yes. Toothpaste.
नहीं, ये तो नहीं हुआ सर, ये तो आगे चले। आपको टूथपेस्ट गैस कराना था, टूथपेस्ट गैस कराना था, आगे चले।
अच्छा,
What?
दो
This
लोग।
is not my fault. I would have guessed it.
अच्छा, कौन सी ऐसी राइड है where two people can like ride?
Like a ride?
Yes.
Like a
अगर दो लोग जा रहे हैं कहीं पे और दो
like
ही लोग बैठ
like a
सकते हैं,
cycle.
2 to 3 people.
Motorbike, bike,
Okay,
motorcycle.
Motorbike.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Very nice. अच्छा, आप किस पे अपने टूर्नामेंट्स खेलते हो? किस उस पे, I mean, किस सरफेस पे?
Clay, hard, grass.
मैंने एक क्वेश्चन पूछा।
AstroTurf.
Yeah, okay.
Nice. Are you acting really? I think it's acting. She's acting. She knows each and everything, and she's acting.
You're wasting your
Fawad gave it
time
to
now.
me.
That's what you're doing now.
Fawad gave it to me when you were taking time to make your hair.
You only have 45 seconds left now.
Come on, can you talk fast, please?
Kolkata Knight Riders.
What about them?
Yeah, you tell me.
What about Kolkata Knight Riders?
Kolkata Knight Riders, who owns it?
Oh, Shah Rukh Khan.
Okay.
It was a simple question. Acha,
3 seconds remaining.
Come on. Oh my God.
Third umpire के पास कब decision जाता है?
When you're not.
What do you call it? What do you call it?
Third umpire. DRS. Hawkeye.
Hawkeye.
Okay,
yes.
good. And time is up.
So you did a good job, but I'm sure we could cheating.
What do you mean? Arey? What is this? Just because I'm smart.
तानिया जी, आपने शाइब साहब की लिस्ट पे से 8 दुरुस्त अल्फाज गेस किए हैं, ठीक है ना? And you guessed pretty much everything that he put out there. But for the first time, I think you've slogged while, is that, if I'm using the term correctly, while playing this round. Slogging means to slow things down on purpose, right?
No, slogging means you hit like big.
You hit big, then you did the opposite. You did the opposite of slogging. Then आपने कुछ तो खेल लिया, आपने जानबूझ के slow down किया ताकि वो कम से कम guess करें.
Oh my God! I'm gonna ask him only 9 questions in these 4 minutes now.
No. Make sure you ask me minimum 12 questions.
Okay, I have this.
Yeah.
Do I have to start? Tell me whenever.
I'll tell you when to start.
Your time will start after asking 4 questions.
What rubbish.
Ask 4 questions, वैसे just off the top, like when you guys are leaving or everything's packed.
Everything's packed.
ये 4 सवाल पूछ सकती हैं आप, उसके बाद हम आगे start कर सकते हैं.
No, let's start.
चले, your time starts now.
Okay. Where does what's in Rukhsana Auntie's house next to the pool? It's green, and what's it called? Where do you play? Where do you play outside the house? What, like there's a green surface?
Lawn?
Yeah, the other word for it.
Green.
What's the other word
Monster?
for lawn? What's the other word for lawn?
I don't know.
Okay, pass.
Okay, next one.
Okay.
Next one.
It's in Agra. It's a white monument. It's one of the wonders of the world. It's in India. Agra, India. Shah Jahan made it. Yes.
Taj Mahal. Yes.
Okay. What are you? And as a cricketer, are you a batsman? Are you a bowler? What are you?
All rounder.
Okay.
Quickly.
It's a type of coffee. It's not latte. It's the other one.
Cappuccino.
Yeah. And what do you do every day when you're in Dubai, or every other day when you're there? What do you go and fly? जिससे आपकी neck stiff हो गई थी रात में.
Yeah, हाँ, kite flying.
Yeah, but only the
I
first
love
word.
that. Kite.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, what is it? What is it called when when someone hits a serve and the other person cannot touch it in
Ace.
tennis? Yes,
Ace.
exactly. Sorry, I'm giving all tennis metaphors, but what do you do before you serve? You take the ball and you
You
just
hit the
before we
surface.
serve. Yeah, what do we do? What do we do with the ball? What do you do in basketball? You do that. Do you do that to the
You
ball on the
tap.
ground?
Yeah, you
No,
tap
but
the ball.
the other word.
Other word is what? Practice.
With the ball.
Bubble.
Oh my God! You take the
Next
ball
one,
before
leave
you
it.
serve. You bounce it. What is the matter
Yeah.
with you?
I don't play
Okay.
tennis.
Okay, Okay, he's a ex-cricketer. He's part of the two W's. Part of the
Wasim
two.
Akram.
Yes. What are we fighting in this pandemic? What is this called?
COVID-19.
Yeah, but what is it called? What is it?
Corona.
It's not a bacteria. It's
a virus.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, you hate changing that. You hate changing Izhan's when he goes when he when he poops
Diaper.
in it. Yeah, but the other word.
5 seconds remaining.
The other word for diaper.
Potty.
Yeah. No, bro. The other word.
Nappy.
Yes.
Okay.
How many seconds?
30 seconds.
Okay.
Just ask.
It's made on Eid at home. It's made out of milk and sevaiya.
So you already said it's sevaiya.
No, there's another word for it.
Doodh sevaiya.
There's sevaiya and doodh.
And dry fruit.
What do you eat on Eid? Yeah. What do you eat on Eid?
5 seconds.
Sevaiya, doodh sevaiya.
Guys, you should give us this. He guessed
and
it.
Your time is up.
Sheer khorma.
So, but we don't call it sheer khorma.
But you don't call it sheer khorma. Ask your Fawad. He's Pakistani. He gave me these words.
शीर खोरमा तो होता है लेकिन शीर खोरमा आई थिंक पंजाबी नहीं बोलते, ये कराची वाले शीर खोरमा बोलते हैं उसको, है ना?
नहीं ये सिर्फ हैदराबाद में लोग बोलते हैं.
अच्छा.
हाँ.
चले, unfortunately you're not Hyderabadi for this question.
Yes.
But guess. Oh wow, it's a draw.
So what happens now?
You have 10 seconds to make each other guess of your list. आपको फिर से उस लिस्ट में से दो अपनी मर्जी के जो है वर्ड्स गेस कराने हैं. जो दो गेस करा सकता है 10 सेकंड्स के अंदर या एक जो भी ज्यादा से ज्यादा गेस करा सकता है will win.
Okay, can I go first?
You can go first. Your time starts now.
Okay, what's behind when you're batting? The 3 sticks behind you.
Wicket keeper.
No, the 3 sticks.
3 stumps.
Yeah, stumps. Okay, he said it. He said
Yeah.
Time was up. Time was up.
Stumps.
He said stumps.
I said stumps. God. He said behind the stumps.
Yeah.
So
no, I said behind behind you. Oh my goodness. Okay, anyway, you lost because you didn't answer.
No. 1 second. She answered herself. She said 3 sticks.
Yeah, what are the 3 sticks?
She didn't answer it. She didn't say the word. She said 3 sticks.
Yeah, so I said stumps. Yeah, stumps.
No, you said wicket keeper first and उस वक्त 10 सेकंड खत्म हो चुके हुए थे. चलें, शोएब साहब आपका टाइम स्टार्ट होता है. अब देख लें अपनी लिस्ट आप.
मैं जरा बहुत मुश्किल वाला पूछूंगा कि ये भी टाई हो जाए.
चलें, your time starts now.
Come on.
कर दो ये तो अगर निकालना है तो क्योंकि टाइम खत्म हो गया है.
What are you
अच्छा
doing?
दोबारा कर लेता हूँ.
अच्छा ठीक है. Your time starts now.
अच्छा Pakistani people, what do they call you?
Bhabhi.
No, that's wrong.
Okay, wow.
They call you Sania.
Yeah, Bhabhi. You got it. So by way of tiebreaker, today's winner is Sania Mirza.
ये तो रीत है.
तो आप दोनों की जीत है.
हाँ, इसीलिए तो ये रीत है.
चले आई एम हैप्पी कि ट्रेडिशन यहाँ पे भी आप लोगों ने जिंदा रखा. Thank you so much for being on the show and for entertaining us. And
thank you for having us. It was fun.
Thank you so much. It was fun, and hope to see you in Lahore.
Inshallah. Look forward to it.
Inshallah.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye. Take care. Bye.
खवातीन हज़रात, आज का एपिसोड काफी एंटरटेनिंग था, काफी एंजॉयबल था. और अब इसमें पता नहीं है कि दोनों ने जो है स्पीड जानबूझ के स्लो की, make each other guess less words as possible, and maybe upcoming contestants might take a few tips from that. But in any case, जीत दोनों की थी. They both took the trophy home, and we wish them the very best of luck. Until next week, till we see our 2 new surprise guests, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you next time.